IQ4 fully supports our lineup of ambient lighting products, allowing you to take full advantage of the brilliant lighting provided by our LT100 smart lighting towers. To begin setting up your LT100 smart lighting towers, mouse over the tile for your LT100 starter kit and click on Lighting Setup. Run the Setup Wizard and follow the prompts to run LED detection. And arrange your towers to match your setup. Note that tower number 1 is the first tower in the LT100 lighting chain. Once you've completed the Setup Wizard, click Finish. To set up the lighting of your LT100 smart lighting towers, go to Lighting Channel 1. Add a lighting effect by clicking the plus button under Lighting Layers. Select a predefined, custom, lighting link, or ambient lighting effect in the lighting type window. For this tutorial, we're going to select Video Lighting. To configure video lighting mode, select your primary display. Note that video lighting works best with displays in landscape mode. To customize the screen capture zones for video lighting, use the toggle to enable custom screen capture, select the tower that you wish to move, and click and drag that tower to the desired area on the screen preview. If you need to reset the screen capture assignments, simply click Reset to Default to restore the original screen capture settings. If you want to change the lighting behavior of your LT100 smart lighting towers for situations where your system is in sleep mode, or you don't have IQ running, go to the Hardware Lightings tab. Select a lighting type in the Lighting Type window. If you wish for your LT100 smart lighting towers to turn off when your system is in sleep mode, select Static Color and set the RGB values to 0. Finally, go to Device Settings if you need to change the brightness or check for a firmware update for your LT100 starter kit. And that's it! IQ4 allows you to take full control over your Corsair ambient lighting. For more information about Corsair IQ, check out corsair.com/IQ.